Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to find player ID in T3 Arena. To find player ID in T3 Arena is a simple and a straightforward process. First, launch open the T3 Arena game on your smartphone. Wait for the game to load, and once you are in this home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Options. Inside Options, tap on Account button on the left-hand corner. You will then be able to see your player ID right next to Current Account option. Tap the Copy button right next to the player ID, and that's how you copy your player ID. You can also write it down manually on a piece of paper. This ID is useful for support, adding friends, or linking accounts. So that's how you exactly know where to find your player ID in T3 Arena. Whether you are contacting support or connecting with friends, you are now good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.